ELINA Pilates Elite Wood Stability Chair with Handles. Best Pilates Chair. A Pilates chair is another form of resistance machine available to the Pilates practitioner. With this machine, users press down on one end that is equipped with springs as a form of resistance creation. This type of equipment is perfect for strength training of the core, arms, and legs. The ELINA Pilates Elite Wood Stability Chair is one of the best innovative Pilates Wunda chairs on the market. This chair, like many others, allows you to lay, stand, or sit on the chair. It also allows for a myriad of Pilates exercises to be performed. Perfect for anyone just getting into Pilates or someone looking to diversify their Pilates private home gym. This machine is unbeatable. The specifications on this machine is really what makes it stand out. This machine is made from stainless steel frame, rubber handle cover, leather seat, and foam padding. It features an adjustable handle that offers 4 positions for each spring. In terms of strength, users get 2 spring strengths, which is all you need for numerous resistance options. The machine also has 2 pedals with a locking and removable and adjustable handles. Last but definitely not least, this machine has wheels, which makes it a breeze to move. Pros: great for resistance training, comfortable, portable. Cons: expensive.